mbsonlinetv.com.
By the name, Baba for the guest, Shola from MBS Online TV. Thank you for subscribing to the YouTube channel. Someone that is a celebrity. I can't even say much about him because you are the one that will say much about him. He's my special guest for today. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Cool.
As in, your smile make me look awesome more than this. Can you just please tell much about yourself?
Yeah. I'm Felix Adams, also known as DJ Flex.
DJ Felix One.
Not Felix One, it's Flexi One.
DJ Felix One. Wow. It's an house name. I really love the name. It's really amazing. I really you cool. Can you just tell people about your background?
I started 10 years ago here in the city. Keep struggling to be a DJ instead. So I'm cool. Not saying much about what I'm doing here.
You are from which state?
Those states. I was born and brought up here in Hill City.
From Edo State. Can you know your full name, please?
Like I said earlier, Adams Felix.
Mr. Jabalani.
My people, God said it's a safe, it's a
Apache Almighty Paco.
Adams Felix. Adams.
Why do you pick DJ as your official work?
That's nice. In entertainment, especially when you talk about DJ is my hobby. Then I love singing, anything singing, dancing, and I can sing, then to my own perspective, I look it in a way of bringing entertainment to lifestyle. So that is why I pick DJ.
And since you are DJ, what are the challenges that you face?
Oh no, it's too much. Oh. Yeah, it's too much. See, when there was nothing like laptop, CD, tape cassette, or during those days that, cool guy doesn't have speakers, doesn't have.
It's Kelpie Vibes.
Zlatan.
If I receive,
Yeah, I'm killing them shot. Because I swear God, if I go killing them back. Rah.
Doesn't have anything, but let's go for now.
Are you telling me that you are a cool guy?
I'm a cool guy.
You are a cool guy with your dressing outfit. Are you not Malians?
No, God forbid Malians. Who is Malians? Malians for Malians, Flexi for Flexi.
Okay, if you say you're not moving, don't you put on belt? See, I guess you put on belt.
I'm not Malians.
You're Malians. You don't put on belts. We Malians don't put on belts. Come on.
You Malians?
I can say me and into it. And much again. Who is your role model?
I am God. I don't have role model. I don't have anybody but it's God.
It's God.
Yeah, God.
It's really cool.
G-O-D, God.
Because really, like, we need to be going to God so that I can help us out.
Yeah.
And I want to ask you, since like you're a DJ now, if you go to stage, like you go and perform, some girls will come and meet you, like they love you, like you should have sex with them. Do you do so?
Move for.
You sex them?
I don't love girls, but I like girls.
Like if they come to like they should have a sex with you, they should have a fun with you. Do you do so?
No, everything is not about sex. No, I don't want straight by pattern to go me from well on me. No, I don't like girls.
Like now, if you go to a show now, like some girls will still come and meet you. In a month, you sex as a DJ. Yes.
Right? I sex.
Like how many girls do you sex in a month?
Man, your question is somehow tough, but I'll give you the reply. No, I don't like sex, but once in a while I sex.
Once in a while you sex.
Yes, maybe twice in a month, once. It's okay.
How many girlfriends do you have?
one girlfriend.
Only one girlfriend?
One.
One.
Yeah.
Only one girlfriend. What about the others?
No others.
No others.
No others. Nothing like others.
Okay, now, you know what happened? You want to do a game.
Okay.
And the game is like, you are the one that will pick the game. 1 to 5. Which one, number do you want to pick?
1 to 5. Let me pick 3.
You pick 3.
Yeah.
Can you help me to spell this joker?
Dix.
Joker. From the back. It's not from the front. From the back. No. You know, like you're a DJ as in the city hall. From the back.
Dix.
Joker.
Okay.
Why do you close your eyes?
Okay. Let me close my C O
I can say much.
J. That one is Joker. Then disc. C. No. Disc. O K C K C I D. Disc. Joker.
Are you sure that you got it?
I'm
Final
sure.
answer correct like
Yes.
that. Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I'm just looking at it. I'm not the one that will judge you.
Don't worry.
I'm not the one.
Yes.
Like now, do you have any concert for this year?
2020, Vision 2020.
Vision 2020.
Yeah. Play Arts 2020. Featuring LCT artists. Base, on base. Yeah.
On base.
Yes.
At where?
Hey. Number 1 rave of the moment. Number 1 hot spots. Ace Lounge and Bar.
H Lounge and Bar.
Ace Lounge and Bar. Yeah.
At where? As the state.
Kwara States, Unity Road, opposite Access Bank, Ilorin, Kwara State.
Kwara State. That means, are you going to shut down the OA that night?
Yeah, it's a massive turn up.
It's a massive turn up.
Yes, I've been on the radio station. It's being broadcast through social media, IG, Facebook.
And most important thing is like someone want to do a concert, you have to be contacted with the media, and you do so. I really appreciate that one from you. And if people want to get connect with you, how can they get connect with you? To your social platform and to your number.
My WhatsApp number 081
081
37
37
48
48
31
31
48.
48. What about your IG?
IG DJ Flex1.
At DJ Flex1.
Yeah, IG.
Twitter.
Flex1.
At Flex1.
Yeah, Flex1.
Facebook.
Adams Felix.
Adam Felix. You know, I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. I feel like feeling everything. I want to know much about your instruments. I want to, as in, let people know much about bang, 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 bang. And you guys used to do it now.
No, you want to feel the magic finger.
I want to ask you, since, as in, like, you know, if you are playing,
Yeah.
do you feel leg pain?
As in,
Leg pain, you know, you guys DJ used to stand.
no, a real DJ don't sit and play. You stand. Even if it is a week, you stand. Keep on standing. Yes. Because music is my medicine.
Unless people still know about your show. Date. What date?
Yeah,
24
Friday
of what?
of January.
Of January 20 what? Is it 2018 or 2019?
2020.
2020.
Yeah.
You guys are lazy watching. It's not easy.
Yeah.
This 24 is going to be shut down. Okay, that means your supermarket. Can we eat free food there?
Free food. You know, we don't deal with the supermarkets. Basically here, at the lunch. So you are free to call me. We have beautiful, sexy ladies.
Sexy ladies.
We have champagne. We have address. We have everything. So we go order.
That
No,
means-
no free.
that
Order,
means-
no free.
Okay.
Yes. But free for the show.
Free for
No
the show.
voucher, nothing. Just come in, enjoy yourself. get yourself something by, and pop.
Channel Wale is not good at that.
Oh wow, casket.
Casket.
Casket. Bossy.
That is why I say you are Malians because you are doing like this.
I'm not a Malian, I'm flexi.
You're flexing.
Yes.
No, I love that. And I love that courage. And I love that. You, as in the way you broke your name out. I love it. I really appreciate. I want to see your instrument because I feel like dancing.
No problem. No problem.
Okay, check it out.
I don't care for me. Never done it.
Everybody.
Choca no Chibit.
Shaula. Jika. Come down, yes. Big two. Méjì lọ́yàn. Tony stick kilo sọ. Ọ̀kan lóko. What do I know? Ó ta kókó.
Méjì lọ́yàn. Ọ̀kan lóko. What do I know?
Ó ta kókó. Dámi sí bó ṣe lọ. Kí ló ń dowó? Fi mí sí bó ṣe lọ. Kí ló ń pawó? Dámi sí bó ṣe lọ.
Just teach me how to do the mixing.
I can't teach you, I can't.
Why now? Am I going to pay money?
Yeah, you pay.
No
free
brother.
job.
Eh?
No free job.
No free job. For where? For this year or for next month?
This year.
For this year.
Next year. Next month.
And don't forget about the show that is coming up on 24th of this month at Ace
This lounge and bar.
in
Watch
Lorry,
out.
Kwara State. It's going to be
Oh,
done. It's going to be bomb.
Shut down.